I'll show you how to wrap an edge around a cylindrical mesh. Let's create a baseball bat. Please feel free to make any shapes. All we need is a handle to demonstrate how this procedure works. To follow along, we need to activate an add-on called Loop Tools. The mesh is now complete. Please press Ctrl+1 to subdivide, and apply the modifier. In Edit Mode's Edge Selection mode, select this edge and Ctrl-select an edge above like this. 1 to go to Vertex Selection mode. Shift-D to duplicate, and P to separate by selection. Select the newly duplicated edge, and Tab to go to Edit mode. Let's subdivide the edge with 10 cuts. Right-click, Loops Tools, and Space to even out the spaces between the vertices. In Object Mode, let's use the Simple Deform modifier's twist and wrap the edge around the handle area. Try 3600 degrees, and please place the Subsurf modifier to the top of the modifiers list. This is how we wrap a curve or mesh around a cylindrical mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.